Pet it. Wipe it real good. Oh!
Should I get like this extra fat out of it?
How much fat?
Just whatever, like it's on top. You don't want to go into it too much. Trying to
Trimming up.
Trying to take up each of tendons and look back. Remember always the angle. Always same angle for all the meats.
Facing up, right?
Yeah. Trim it. Want to leave like about 2 fingers up. Want to work your way into it.
Not too deep?
Not too deep. Right when you see the tendon, that's where you want to stop. Just go into the tendon. Don't go into the meats. It's hard to see it, man. See the tendon?
I can see it.
So it's opening up. There's a tendon right there that you want to hit. Slowly, slowly.
Perfect.
Okay. Then from there, flip it. Take your finger. You lift the shit up.
Just rip it off, huh?
Fat. Shit away. Flip it. Get your angle in here. I like doing this. It's much easier when you getting the whole stroke into it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So little by little, huh?
Yeah. Like this part you just want to take it off. This one. Flip it. Yeah. And just put your knife into it. So like right here, I would have to go like into the meat. Okay. Since you already have a part. Share right here, but then it goes into the meat. Just want to do some shit. Get the angle up.
You don't want to go into the meat. You just want to get the tendons up. Now this part, she's fucking almost an inch. Just wanna
Trim it down a little bit.
Trim it down, yeah.
So what's the preferred?
That's a good size right there.
Just
want to make it like nice and even. You know?
Okay.
You don't want to have that much. Not an inch.
Not too much. Yeah.
Not an inch.
So anyways, when you're cutting,
When you're portioning it, they say like you're doing a 6 ounce and you get like a 6.4 or a 6 point something. This is an extra part that you're gonna be cutting off, so you'll be taking off from the meat, the extra point. That's it.
how do you do this part right here?
That part I just grab it, just cut it off.
That's for
It's for the 5 ounce.
for sumo cut or what?
No, it's just 5 ounce for the lomos.
Oh, so that part is the smaller portion.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this part, it has the tendon. It goes all the way inside.
Yeah.
You just want to grab the top, just go into it. You feel it. It doesn't pass the tendon. Right when it feels soft, that's where you hit the meat. And you do the same thing on the bottom. That's it.
Okay. Chef.
Ahí,